This is Rick's brand new motocross helmet. This is a GMAX MX46. Rick hasn't even worn it on the trails yet, but let's do a quick walkover. It does have the peak here, which is adjustable with a thumb screw. Got the thumb screw right there. It has the chin bar. It has venting up here. Passive, aggressive venting in here. There's the venting that intakes over here. I believe that is a removable mesh filter. It's got venting over here. This is only DOT certified. There's no ECE or Snell rating on this. It's just your basic motocross helmet. It does have venting here on the back, on both sides, as well as in the back. It does have exhaust venting. There's some additional vents over here. It has a total of 19 altogether. The liner is removable and can be washed. This particular one is in high vis yellow. And it does have a large hole for goggles. We do have some right in here. These did not come with the helmet itself. But as you can see, it does fit nicely.